Hello. So I'm going to be showing you the speed focused workout first. We'll record that as its own video, and then we'll do the plyometric video, the plyometric heavy one. So for speed and plyos, we have our normal warm up. We did that together with those dynamic exercises, and then glute bridges. And I'm just reading it, and you're going to obviously have this in front of you as well. And then we have several other exercises. So for the warm-up and glute bridges, that's the first part. I'm gonna just give you a quick heads up on what you're doing here. So when we warm up, we're trying to get in our high knees, especially as part of a speed-focused workout. We're trying to get those butt kicks. And I know it's tough, sorry, I'll do the best I can filming this. I should have a tripod. Long kick outs, okay? Scoops, walking lunges. We did the 3 prongs, one of my favorite for the hips. We did that on both sides. We talk about monster walks. We talk about opening the gate. So again, I'm just walking through a few of the different ones we did. I think, Ralph, you took some videos of these. For glute bridges, you're just gonna get right on the ground and you are going to work those glutes. So you're gonna be right here, get your back down, your feet are as wide as your hips. You're gonna drive up, squeeze and hold for 5 seconds. I usually like 5 to 8 reps of this. Then you go single leg, 10 reps on each. 1 second hold for those. So that's your whole warm up and glute bridges portion. From there, you are going into these activators, okay? So we have sprinter jumps, line hops, single leg line hops, and skaters, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this up to here, great? And we are gonna film this. So sprinter jumps, okay? Great single leg exercise. We'll film from the rest here because this is much better. We're gonna be jumping, kicking back, jumping, kicking back. Right here, we're getting nice balance on each leg. We're doing 15 on each side. We're doing that, each of these we're doing twice, okay? 15 jumps, I think maybe just to make it standard, I put 15 seconds. It's really 15 jumps. For line hops and single leg line hops, just find a line. If you're on a basketball court, it's easy enough. We did this actually together, find a good base. So here's my line, and I'm just jumping forward and back for consistency. My position is a quarter squat for that. I'm doing that, and then for my singles, I'm doing the same thing on each side. You're doing 2 rounds of all of these exercises. In between each, take like a little 30-second rest. As needed, really. So if 20 seconds is fine, go 20. Eventually, you'll start getting more tired. The last of these jumps is called skater jumps. And we did these together. We know we need a lot of work on these. So I think I put 2 of these times 30 seconds, or again, 20 ground contacts would probably be fine for that as well. Skater jumps. So that takes you through the first section. At that point, it's good to get like a 2-3 minute water break. Now I'm going to be focused on the wall section. This is where you're going to get your main speed work for now until you get really good at these, and then we can start to talk about updating that. So I'm going to pull you over here. Let's see if I can. Sorry. See, I need a tripod, but that's okay. Wall work. We have a wall series where we do several drills on the wall. I gotta shoot this separately. Hold on 1 second. All right, so we'll shoot the wall stuff separately just because that angle is not good. Sorry about that. So the wall drills will be a separate video. Okay, so skipping the wall drills for just a moment, we are going into form jumps, and then the last part is really you're working your conditioning. So for form jumps, we worked on this together. Find a good base, sink your bum, weight on your toes, half squat, okay? And then direct line, chest, knees to toes. Hands out by your side, and you're gonna just jump straight in the air, trying to get in the air repetitively 6 straight times, okay? I put 8 rounds of that. As you get better at those, after like 2-3 weeks, you're doing this workout regularly, let's add some dumbbells to that, okay? The next 2 drills are called 45 degree slides and half burners. So for 45 degree slides, you're just gonna be on a basketball court. You're gonna be shuffling at 45 degrees throughout the court, just changing your angles. So what I put is you're gonna be doing that and half burners. Half burners, not the full suicide, would just be the half court and back, full court and back. So you're just gonna mix it up between those 2 drills for 10 to 15 minutes to finish up your workout. It's gonna give you a nice conditioning workout. Now I'm gonna shoot a separate video for the wall routine, which is actually where you're gonna get a lot of your speed focus.